And this is all it comes with. It comes with a security lock for your shotgun here. Then it comes with a set of earplugs that we have here. So basically that's all in the box here. The barrel assembly here. Let's see. Comes in a bag. Now it says it was machined in Sun City Machinery from Westfield, Massachusetts in the United States. But on the other flip side here, they're manufactured in China. So that's why people have a lot of questions about it, because how it was, where it was manufactured, and they were saying about how Chinese made guns, you know. Well, I just wanted it because it was a good defense gun. Let's see here. There's a glow sight on it. The sight seems to be pretty much spot on right out of the box. It's a nice pistol grip shotgun, pump action. It has the adjustable up and down sight. On the front here, glow sight on the front. Seems to be a pretty good shotgun for the money. So that's the unboxing of my Stevens shotgun here. And like I said, I have the shell holder, but I don't know if it's gonna fit this particular stock here, because it's kind of like let me see if the bag fit. It fits in the bag. I might have got just enough bag to fit the gun in. So people talk a lot about shotguns and the prices, but for this money, you really can't beat this shotgun here. Because I think I paid like $170. I think I paid like $178 for it. It was a pretty good deal on guns.com. Shout out to guns.com for quick delivery. I think it took like 4 or 5 days, and I have some shells I bought for it when I first purchased it. Let me show you these. I have some slugs. They're the Winchester Super X 12 gauge. They come in like 3 1/4, velocity 1600 feet. It's a hollow point, and I purchased just to have a slug, because I want to shoot some slugs in it, and these are